Alright, as you can see, I've got my wood here and I've got my radius drawn out. How I drew my radius was I attached a piece of yarn over there, that 2x4, and put about a 4 foot, because this is 4 foot wide, I put a 4 foot piece of yarn on the marker and radius. See how it does a radius? That, you can see that I did this a few times to try to get the right radius, and I think I found it. It's about 2 foot high ramp. Now it's about 4 foot right here, you can see. So heck yeah. So I've got my first side cut, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace it onto this other side, the way I can try to get the same exact cut on for the other side. All right, there's the first piece again, and I've got the other one traced out. So let's get this cut. All right, I got both sides cut. Now to cut the 2x4s and get these two sides together. All right, so my sides over there are 3/8 inch thick. So I'm making it 4 foot wide to fit my 1/4 inch plywood. So 3/8 and 3/8 inch on each side is 0.775 inch. So you got to take 3/4 inch off of your 2x4s if you want it 4 foot wide. So I had to cut these 47 1/4 inch long to get an exact 4 foot wide on the ramp. All right, so go ahead and put your bottom one in. That way everything stands up and you can start putting the rest of them in. Be right back with you. All right, I got the top brace on. You can see now it's starting to come together. So as you can see, it's coming along now. I spaced these boards 8 inches apart, but I haven't put one here or here yet. Just kind of skipping a line, see where it end up, and so yeah, you can kind of see there how it is. Alrighty, so I've got all the slats done. I had to find a 1x4 put right here on the bottom. This is so thin right here, so I put a 1x4 there to you know, kind of support the bottom from moving. But there you go. Now it's time to just put the top on. You got to cut it to size. Got to figure that out. There we go. Here's the ramp. I brought the bottom out 4 inches. Right there, I brought it out 4 inches past the end. It's a little raised right there on the ground on both sides. That's because of that. But pretty even with the ground. I plan on putting a piece right here and putting a piece in the back there. But other than that, I mean, we're jumping RCs, you know what I mean? We ain't skateboarding, but it's pretty much like a quarter pipe. But I don't think it would hold a skateboard. Here, we're gonna check it out off this ramp here. If I can line it up correctly. That thing just flows through the air. I got something oh, got a turnbuckle out. So what we got here is the screw that goes right in there. Came out right here. Just came out. So, and it came out in midair. It didn't come out from the jump. I mean, the thing is not damaged or anything. It just came out. The thing's still stock. So jump this thing. Backflip, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Backflip on a stock pinion. Oh boy, when that thing lands, it lands hard. Landed on its front that time. Wasn't going fast enough. God, they didn't get around as good as it did the first time. I'm not gonna do a backflip. Everything's alright. Oh! Yeah. Ah, the wing's crooked. The wing's crooked. Oh man, that wing is trashed. Trashed the freaking wing, son. The rest of it looks good though. Yeah, all the axles. Oh yeah, everything looks good. Oh well, that's how it goes, I guess. I gotta find something that stick to the freaking thing. Trying to get lined up with that junk. I guess I'm gonna have to stand behind it. Servo. It sounds like the servo's trying to strip out. One more jump. There went the rest of the wing. Golly. Let's see if I can do a standing backflip now. I hope the punch settings on this, so we're going to see if I can do a standing backflip. Let's see what we can do with the Notorious. I hope the putt set is a 6 on it. Let's do another standing back flip. That thing freaking nails it with that punch up. You lined up? 8-year-old gonna hit the jump. Eight-year-old's gonna hit the jump with the Notorious. She did her first backflip. Woo! Alrighty, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Got to get this thing home, see if I can figure out somewhere to order this crap from. Golly, wing just shattered.